The United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has called for efforts to promote education for all. In a video message to mark the International Day of Education, Guterres paid tribute to the resilience of students, teachers, and families in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic, which at its peak forced almost every school, institution, and university to close its doors. The UN chief said we must ensure the full replenishment of the Global Partnership for Education Fund and strengthen global education cooperation. Noshin, spotstory.news.